How to set require authentication for purchases on Playstore. Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to set require authentications for purchases on the Playstore. First go to Playstore and then click here and then click this one, settings, and now click this one, authentications, click on it, and then click this one, require authentication for purchases. And now all you need to do is just select anything you want for all purchases, Store, Play, Google Play on this device, or every 30 minutes or never. Select anything you want and then type your Google password and then click OK. And that's how set require authentication for purchases on Play Store. Don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.